Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 1st, 2020. Yes, a binary puzzle, and this will be. Well, let me focus. The binary puzzle. This will be number 1271. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here double O, here one, there one, double O, here one. Then 1, between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then, between 2 ones comes an O, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we have 3 O's. If I place the 4th one here. So, excuse me. Sorry for the sneezing. Yes, let's continue. If I place the 4th O here, then the rest are ones. So then we have 3 ones. Not allowed. One of the rules of the binary puzzle, no 3 ones or O's in a row. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Yes. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Then 3 O's in this row. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Then I think I need to compare. Yeah, need to compare because I cannot continue. Yes. How about this row and that row? Let me compare. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two numbers. I cannot place an O and a 1. Then I have identical rows. One of the rules, no identical rows or columns. So we need to switch those numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. And we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1. Then 1, between 2 ones comes an O. Need to compare again, I think. Yeah. Double 1, no. Yeah. Yeah. This column and that column. 0011001100 empty box 1 1. Yeah, so this one and that one. So we need to switch these two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here and O there and O. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic. So see you later, and bye bye for now.